Oo nga yung Jane lang. What are you doing? Give it to Dad. You got lots of water. Okay, go to your bestie now. Allah. Oo. Okay, have Daddy open it. My hand cannot open it.
Your hand?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want how to do this?
Show me. Okay. You want me help you?
Wait, he did? It took it off.
No. Oh, about this one.
No, I told you.
I think there's an open one. Let me see. Let me open it.
Oh, no. Eva.
Let me open it.
Eva. No, Eva. Oh, yeah, Winnie, no. Winnie. Not Winnie.
Uh-huh. Say please. Bye-bye. Oo, bye. Diyos mo, malapit na magpasko, guys. Busy. Ala, sino na ito baboso? Ayan, gawin lang natin 60. Ayan, pag nag-60 na. Ayan. Oh, ilang days na lang. Ang bilis, no? Diyos me, 2 months na lang. Pasko na naman. Tapos 2026. 2025. 2024 pala ngayon. Mag-birthday ka muna.
Who birthday today?
Aisa said she's having a birthday.
Oh, yeah.
Oo nga, ang bilis. Ang ikli ng buhay, no? Diyos ko, ingat-ingat kayo dyan, guys. Don't. A. B. Oo, grabe. Kaya ingat guys. Pray talaga. Alam mo, powerful ang prayers. Pray talaga guys. Huwag kayo mawalan ng ng prayers kay God talaga. Yun ang ko, saving grace din guys. Yung prayers lang talaga ang ko ngayon. Pinangahawakan ko. Ayan. Pati mga bata, mga anak nyo, ganun. Yun talagang pampahaba ng buhay yung kay God. Pati yung mga mahal natin sa buhay. Powerful talaga yun. Yung iba kasi hindi na nagpa-powerful.
Today is my birthday.
Today is your birthday. Oh, look.
Dad, I want to happy birthday to Lata.
Can you say happy birthday to
Really?
Yeah.
Today is my birthday.
Alexa, sing happy birthday.